General Theory of Relativity. In 1916, Einstein published his General Theory of Relativity. This paper generalizes the concept of special relativity and Newton's law of universal gravitation, describing gravity as a property of space and time. This theory has aided our understanding of how the large-scale structure of the universe is set up. The theory of light, the theory of general relativity can be explained like this. Newton held quantity, gravity between two objects as a tugging of two bodies, independent of how massive each one is or how far apart they are. Einstein determined that the laws of physics hold constant for all non-accelerating observers. That the speed of light is constant. No matter how fast the observer travels, he found that space and time were interwoven and that events that occur at one time for one observer could occur at a different time for the next. This led to his theory that massive objects in space could distort space-time. Einstein's predictions have helped modern physicists study and understand black holes and gravitational lenses. General Theory of Relativity. In-explain ni Einstein yung General Theory of Relativity. Okay? Electric effect. Ganda ito. Einstein Theory of the Photoelectric Effect discusses the emissions of electrons from metal when light shines on it. Okay? As we alluded to before, scientists had observed this phenomenon and had been unable to reconcile the finding with Maxwell's wave theory of light. Puro light pa din. Pero ito, involved na yung yung metal. Photoelectric effect ito eh. Merong metal involved. Kakaroon siya ng spark. Kaya light shines on it. Nag-i-spark mo sa metal. Tuloy natin. This discovery of photons aided the understanding of this phenomenon. He theorized that as a light hits an object, there is an emission of electron. Pag tinamaan pala yung object, tawag niya photoelectron. This model formed the basis of how solar cells work. Light causes atoms to release electrons, which generates a current and then creating electricity. Generate siya ng current. Tapos, nakikreate na siya ng electricity. Okay? Photoelectric effect. Diyan siya nag-concentrate. Si Albert Einstein, lahat ng kanyang invention, nag-concentrate siya sa photoelectric effect. Sabi niya, nag-research ako before, ito na yung iiwanan niya sa atin. I-develop lang natin. Nakakaroon ng mga bagong invention natin itong photoelectric effect na ito. Yan. Kaya nagkaroon ng mga machine instrument. So, ano? Lahat ng mga instrument na yan na ginagamit sa tao. Makatulog. Sa photoelectric siya nagmumula. yung energy karon ng light. Yung light pala may energy. Okay? Yung duality. Einstein's research into the development of the quantum theory was some of the most impactful he ever accomplished. During his early career, Einstein persisted in asserting that light has been treated as both a wave and a particle. In other words, photons can behave as particles and as waves at the same time. This became known as a wave-particle duality. He is quoted as saying, this on the subject, we are faced with a new kind of difficulty. Two contradictory pictures of reality. Separately, neither of them fully explains the phenomena of life, but together they do. As we think about all of Einstein's inventions, we have to think of them in the light of his influence. His work advanced modern quantum mechanics, the model of physical time, the understanding of light, solar panels, and even modern chemistry. Einstein has unequivocally influenced our understanding of physics as we know it today. Yan. Wave particle duality. Samasamahin natin ngayon yung pito na yan. Yung concept ni Einstein, invention niya. Ano yung resulta ng pito na yan? Light. Yung laser light, may energy. May wave. May wavelength. May power. May beam. Nagka-travel siya. Yung beam of light, may constant distance traveling niya, time. Meron siyang weight. Meron siyang bigat. Photoelectric effect naman, kakaroon ng power, current. Kaya kumpleto, yung pito na yan. May current, may power, may light, may energy, may distance, may weight, may beam, diameter, may photon, electron, andyan na lang. May metal, nag-spark. Kaya, laser diode, laser light. Okay? Treatment of disease, medical device, laser acupuncture, laser therapy device. Without needles. We use voltage, current, power. Tinapat na yung laser light, may papasok sa katawan, may lalabas. Lalabas ang pathogen, lalabas ang fats, lalabas yung toxin. Mawawala yung pathology, yung sakit, yung pumasok na sakit, dahilan ng sakit yung pathogen. Pag tinapat mo yung light, itutulak niya palabas sa katawan. Yun yung concept nung aking invention. Kaya sinusundan ko is si Albert Einstein. Doon naman sa theory ng treatment and diagnosis, ang sinusundan ko naman ay yung TCM, Traditional Chinese Medicine. Acupuncture, chemotherapy, and formulated herbal medicine. Nagtulong-tulong yung tatlo na yan. Tulong-tulong itong invention na yan. Concept yan. Tulong-tulong itong laser diode. Tulong-tulong tayo lahat. Tulong ng government natin. UST, API, IPO Philippines, DOH, FDA. Tulong-tulong tayo. Pilipino, buong bayan. Tulong-tulong tayo lang. Big kiss, sama-sama, tatagumpay po tayo.